Today we are discussing how we'll identify the different type of and pericyclic reaction. Where the first problem is that given butadiene converted into the cyclobutene. It is a kind of an reversible reaction where 4 pi electron get converted into the 2 sigma electron plus 2 pi electron, means reacting partner, single reacting partner expands its own pi bond and get converted into the 2 sigma electron. Therefore, it is a kind of an electrocyclic ring closing reaction. Then write down that is 4 pi electron get converted into the 2 pi electron plus 2 sigma electron. Secondly, identify which kind of n system. There are two type of n system. One is a 4n system and the second is a 4n plus 2 system. In a 4n system, if the number of n pi electron is a multiple of n4, therefore it is considered as a 4n system. If the number of n pi electron not a multiple of n4, then it considered as a 4n plus 2 system. In butadiene, the number of n pi electron is a 4, therefore it is considered as a 4n system, that is 4 pi electron. Then according to the frontier molecular orbital diagram, first you construct the frontier molecular orbital diagram. It containing the 4p orbital. The p orbital is a lateral overlapping. Okay, lateral overlapping. Number of np orbital is a 4. Psi1 and psi2 constitute the bonding molecular orbital, while psi3 and psi4 constitute the anti-bonding molecular orbital, where this energy increases in this manner. Then the number of n electron is a 4. Pi electron is a 4. First electron in a thermal condition. First electron is enter into that psi1, then second electron again enter into the psi1 because energy of n psi2 is comparatively more as compared to the psi1. Then third electron is enter into that psi2, then again the psi3 energy is more, then fourth electron is enter into that psi2. Therefore, the psi2 is become HOMO, where there is no electronic excitation will be takes place under the thermal condition. Therefore, psi2 is considered as a HOMO according to the frontier molecular orbital diagram under the thermal condition. Then, which kind of symmetry? There are the two kind of symmetry. One is a mirror symmetry and the second is a C2 symmetry. In a psi1, if the plane is passed through that middle of that molecular axis, it divided into the two equal part, where therefore it is considered as a mirror symmetry, where terminal orbital possess mirror symmetry, where psi1 possess mirror symmetry, while psi2 possess C2 symmetry. When goes equidistant to the opposite side from their center, therefore it is considered as a C2 symmetry. Then psi3 possesses mirror symmetry. Again psi4 possesses V symmetry, C2 symmetry. Where in a thermal condition, psi2 is considered as a HOMO, where psi2 possesses C2 symmetry. If the presence of an C2 symmetry, then the which kind of an rotation will be possible? Cone rotation. Cone rotation means one orbit, two orbital, terminal orbital rotated in a same direction, either be in a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Okay, means psi2 possesses C2 symmetry, therefore the cone rotation will be possible under the thermal condition, where selection rule should be given 4n system thermally allowed by the cone rotation mode. If you suppose this problem is under the photochemical condition, then what should be changes? Type is remaining same, system is remaining same, only in a FMO diagram electronic excitation will be takes place from psi2 to psi3, therefore psi3 is become a HOMO. Then psi3 possesses V symmetry, mirror symmetry. Then mirror symmetry is undergo disrotation mode. Okay. Similarly, it is a kind of an electrocyclic ring closing under the photochemical condition. System is remaining same. According to the frontier molecular orbital diagram, Psi3 is HOMO under the photochemical condition, while Psi3 is possessing mirror symmetry. According to the Woodward-Hoffmann rule, Fourier system photochemically, because Psi3 possesses mirror symmetry, therefore the disrotation mode and cyclonization will be possible. Therefore, according to the cyclonization rule, disrotation mode is possible under the photochemical condition for the Fourier system. Disrotation means one orbital rotated in a clockwise direction, while second orbital, terminal orbital, rotated in a anti-clockwise direction. Therefore, this kind of problem should be discussed in the video. Thank you for watching my video.